Hey guys, Jeff Discher, real estate broker with the Discher Group at Douglas Elliman. And today's what is an appraisal. All right, let's jump into the formal definition. An appraisal determines the value of a home to ensure that the price reflects the home's condition, age, location, and features such as number of bathrooms, etc. Also, appraisals help the banks and lenders avoid loaning more money to the borrower than what the home is worth. So what does that mean to you as a buyer or even to a seller? But today we're talking about the buyer. What does it mean, the appraisal? So when you offer, use that RPA that we talked about, and you offer on a home, you're gonna offer a price. Now, until that home gets appraised, we don't know what the value is. You can offer something, but based off the comparable properties in the neighborhood would have sold, we can say it's worth X or it's worth $450 or $750, but the appraisal is gonna determine it because most home loans or most purchases use a home loan. So you either put down 10%, 5%, 3.5%, VAs 100%, some people put down 40%, 50%. Well, when the bank lends you money, they need to make sure that they're mitigating the risk of losing money by appraising the piece of property or the asset that you're accumulating, that you're acquiring. So say that you buy a house and you offer $500,000 for it, and you're asking the bank, you're gonna put down 10%, $50,000, you're asking the bank to come lend you $450 for the balance. The bank is gonna send an appraiser out there that's picked by a pool. So basically say, hey, we need an appraiser for this property. They go out, they find, appraiser's chosen randomly to send to the property. They go in, they look at the comparables in the area, they do their data, they come back, they do an unbiased value of the property, value opinion of the property, and they send it to the lender. They send it back to the bank and go basically, hey, we think the property's worth $500,000. Or they say, no, we think it's worth $485,000. That's another negotiation. So, and the reason they do this, the banks don't want to lend more on that property than it's worth, because if you go and stop making the payments, lose your job, God forbid, something like that happens, they want to make sure that if you can't make the payment, they can sell it quickly and get their money back. They don't want to be stuck out there with an asset with somebody living in it, they're losing money every month. So they want to make sure, I would do it if I was lending somebody money, you want to make sure that the asset that you're taking as collateral is worth what you're lending the money on. So it's a very reasonable process. Again, appraisal is going to cost probably about $500. With every, well, I take that back. Some of them are waiving inspection or appraisals these days because of the whole COVID thing. But 99% of all home loans that get all purchases that get a home loan on them are going to have an appraisal done. So don't be scared of an appraisal. It actually could work for your benefit. If you have any other questions on appraisals, give me a call. Find me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and be sure to watch my podcast or listen to my podcast. There's a difference on Spotify, iTunes, and any other platform where you can find podcasts. Jeff Discher, see you guys next time.